Accelerated Math Objective 87. Word problem. Multiply a decimal through the thousandths place by 10, 100, or 1,000. Question number 9 says, to raise money for charity, Jake and his friends rode 30 4/10 miles on a bike event. As a group, they had a total of $100 pledged for each mile they rode. How much money did Jake and his friends raise? So we'll take our problem, $100 for each mile. They rode 30.4 miles, and we're going to multiply these. We need to first make a little note to ourselves on the side when we look at this number, and we see a decimal, how many digits are behind it. But we don't see a decimal, so we're going to put 0. Take a look at our second number. Take a look at the decimal, how many digits are behind the decimal. There's 1 digit there, so we're going to put a little notation out to the side. Now we're going to multiply. 4 times 0 would be 0, 4 times 0 would be 0, and 4 times 1 would be 4. We move from the tenths place to the ones place, and since we're moving a power of 10, we're going to put a placeholder. And we have 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 1. And that would be 0. And now that we have moved from the tenths to the ones, we're going to move to the tens place, so we're going to put 2 placeholders and begin to multiply. 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 1. We will add these up, and we would have 30,000 plus 400, which would be 30,400. We need to make sure that we go back, and we're going to look to see how many times we need to move the decimal. We're going to take these two numbers, add them together, get 1, and since at the end of our problem we would have an imaginary decimal, we're going to move our decimal to the left 1 time, and we're going to come up with a total of $3,040, which would be answer B.